There's a bunch out here, isn't it?
Boy, there's a lot today.
That rep will be here. That rep is very, usually he sells everything.
Eric Pie? This is Pie, yeah.
He will be here. He's a good guy.
Good. All right, we got an 05 RX330. Ooh, with 251,000 miles, guys. But holy smokes, does it run good. And she's clean. And you know what? They put a dash cover on here. Look at that cheesy airbag cover. But it looks better than the cracked ass dashes. These things crack and look like crap. So I kind of don't mind the cheesy one. This is a little bit of a base model. We don't even have heated seats. We ain't got nav, but we got a clean RX. Even the armrest isn't worn through. Sunroof. See if we got some AC. Always got to check that AC. Got damn good wiper blades. You know what that always says to me? Good maintenance. Oh yeah, we got a fresh oil change sticker up here on the top. Oh, this thing is velvety. Ooh, even the steering wheel is not cracked. Yeah, this, wow. I'm only rolled up to about 5 or 10 miles per hour, but I can tell you this is a nice one. You just know when you found a nice one. With 251,000 miles though, and it being an 05, this would have the 3.3 liter V6, which is still a timing belt motor. I mean, all these touch points look great. Look at all these. Hieroglyphics are all nice. I mean, that's nice. This thing's strong. For the miles, this thing is really, really good. Really, really good. Holy cow. The cheesy dash cover's a bit cheesy just because of the airbag cutout. I don't like that. But you know, I bought one of those cheesy dash covers for my Infiniti. And it had the same thing, but it sure does beat the damn cracks. You know what I mean? Let's see what we got under the hood. I'm looking for a timing belt sticker. Let's see. We got pretty good looking tires. Oh yeah, all the way around. We're missing a fender liner in this side. Gosh, it is really a clean unit. Please have a timing belt sticker. No, of course not. Of course not. No timing belt sticker. I have to look on the Carfax. Darn. Yeah, this is clean. Very, very clean. Wow, it's got, oh man, got a bum spot right there. Shoot. I think it has a little bit of an exhaust leak. Power lift gate still works. That's nice. Yeah, it's got a leaky exhaust manifold. Hear it ticking right off the bat. It's not awful, but for 250,000 miles, this thing is super clean, and the AC is freezing my ass off. Good looking rig. I may consider this one tomorrow. I just wish it had the nav option and the heated seats. That would help it sell better. But it is definitely a clean unit. I like this. This is nice. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.